Guys, this is really exciting. Look what just came in the mail. It's a new drone. You may not have known about this. I ordered a new one because my old one's broken, and so I'm going to be unboxing this today. I'm here with League Gamer. Say hello to YouTube, bro.
I've been on YouTube before.
Just say hello. Hello. Alright. So, I'm going to set you guys up real quick.
I'm going to take a picture before we...
Alright. On Instagram?
Yeah. And then I'll take one. Actually, no, I'll just take one when it's out. Okay.
Alright.
Well, let me set up my YouTube. Crap.
Wait, ooh. Can I use this?
Sure. Wait, one second. Let me start my video, please.
Alright. Oh, I almost started unboxing it. I got part of the tape. Tell me when.
3, 2, 1. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here, and today we got this box.
Aiden679. Hey guys, I'm here. We're gonna be unboxing this. It's, I think, a drone or maybe a helicopter.
There you go, guys.
All right, wait. Did I get it? Oh, wait, no. Oh. Here we go, guys.
The other side.
Oh God! Here we go. Holy! It was an Axis 200. It's an Axis 300.
Yo,
this is freaking crazy.
Look at that, guys.
I'm gonna go show my grandma. Wait, you show the camera real quick.
Look at that, guys.
Easy, try me. I want to show the camera this. Guys, look. It's a try me. Oh.
After this, I'm gonna install it.
Alright, I need to show my grandma. I will be with you guys.
I'll bring it.
Just a minute. No, you can't. Wait, you guys may be a little... Don't get too excited. I think I should wait to open this until my pap gets here. And I will be making a part 2, which is like the real unboxing. Well,
why are you gonna wait?
He's gonna be home pretty soon.
Oh crap.
Yep. I'm gonna read the back. What? Yo, there's a voice command on this, I think. Command 3 voice. Ooh, let me read this manual. Wait. Packaging list. Oh, this is for me. Yeah. It's under my grandmother's name. Oh my God, guys, I am so sorry. I just want to save it for my pap because he's the one who helped order it. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be making a part 2 like in a couple hours. So, bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell button.
And make sure to
the bell icon.
Same exact to me. See you all in his next video.
Alright, bye!